I genuinely love my Elgato Teleprompter, but let's be honest, it's not perfect. I've found a few quirks that can be a bit frustrating. So I fired up my 3D printer and designed a few solutions to fix them. First up, let's talk about mounting this to a tripod. The Elgato prompter has two tripod threads, but frankly, neither is ideally placed. If you use one of the threads to attach your quick release plate, you'll find that the plate's lock mechanisms get blocked by the teleprompter's L bracket. They even show this configuration in the official manual. The other thread is obstructed by the actual body of the prompter, depending on your plate. Sure, you can attach the plate sideways, but it just makes the whole setup feel a bit awkward and less stable than it could be. My solution? I 3D printed a quick release plate extender. It raises the teleprompter just enough to give that lock mechanism full clearance. Problem solved. Next, connecting your phone. The standard way involves attaching a third-party phone holder to the provided L bracket. The main issue here is that you're then usually stuck using the universal shroud backplate. It can be a real hassle to get your phone in and out every single time. And believe me, I've nearly lost my phone behind that shroud more than once. So I designed a two-piece Magsafe mounting system. First, there's a custom backplate that attaches directly to the teleprompter. This new backplate is a game changer because it features two distinct slots, allowing you to record in both traditional horizontal and crucially vertical video formats. Something the original setup just doesn't accommodate. The second piece is a precision fit housing for an Apple Magsafe charger. This housing with your Magsafe charger inside then slots securely into the custom backplate. The connection is both smart and secure. Magnets in the ears provide an easy snap-on alignment, while the phone's weight is fully supported by the interlocking physical design of the ears and the backplate slot. This makes it incredibly stable and your phone isn't going anywhere. A fantastic added bonus of this system is that it frees up my phone's Type-C port, so I can now easily use my external Type-C microphone while the phone is mounted and charging. This last print isn't a direct teleprompter upgrade, but it's a fantastic quality of life improvement for the studio. It's a custom mount for my Baseus charger. It's designed with 5 different sized clamps, so it can attach securely to various tripod-like diameters. This keeps my phone and studio lights powered without cables dangling everywhere. I also added a handy slot to hold my Rode wireless mic receiver. This is great because when I'm using a wired connection from the receiver to my phone, I have a dedicated spot to keep the receiver secure and out of the way. Hopefully, these little fixes have given you some inspiration for your own 3D printing projects. If you're interested in trying out these specific designs, you'll find the links to the print files down in the description below.